In this video, I'll be showing you how you can easily update Pinterest on both your iPhone and Android in 2026. So I'll show you both ways. So first of all, you'll have to head over to the App Store or Google Play Store and then simply search for Pinterest. Now after that, you'll have to open it. Now if it says update, you can simply tap on update to update it to the latest version. And in case of an Android, you can simply head over to the Google Play Store and then simply search for Pinterest in the same way and then tap on update. But in some cases, it might say open and technically your app is already up to date, but you're still lacking some features that you want. So in that case, what you can do is to go back, head over to the settings of your phone, go to general, then iPhone storage, and then you'll have to look for Pinterest. Now, if in case you're an Android user, you'll have to go to the settings, clear cache of Pinterest app, and then uninstall it. And after that, you reinstall it from the Google Play Store. But in case you are an iPhone user, you'll have to open Pinterest and simply tap on offload app and then hit offload again. It will not delete any of your personal data or files. It will just clear all the cache files that may be causing the problem. Now lastly, you will have to tap on reinstall app to force update it to the latest version, and your problem will be solved. You'll be able to use Pinterest with all the latest features. If this video helped you out, hit that subscribe button. It really supports the channel. Like the video and comment down below if you got stuck anywhere. I'll definitely help you out.